Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color rainbow farm animals. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I'll divide it into 6 small squares. To start, I'm going to draw a big cat. Let's start to draw the head of a cat. First, I start with his cute eyes like this, his nose, his mouth, and 3 lines on each side for his kitten mustache, and his 2 triangular ears. Finally, some patches here. His body, his tail. Next to her, I draw a cute dog. I draw the head and his 2 ears. I start with his eyes. Then I drew his nose and mouth. Finally, some patches here. His body and his tail. Next to her, I draw a cute cow. Then I draw the shape of his head, his eyes, his nose and mouth with its 2 horns and ears on top. Finally, some patches here. Its body and the tail. In the next row, first I draw a cute little pig. Then I draw its big pig nose, its eyes, and its mouth. I draw its 2 ears, its body, and the tail. Let's draw a cute chicken. I draw the head, I draw the 2 eyes, then its beak, with a comb on top of the head. Finally, I draw its feathered neck. Last in this row, I draw a cute sheep. I draw its eyes, its nose, and its mouth. Then I draw the shape of its head with a little fluffy fur on top. And finally, his fur around his face. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I start with the cat. I'm going to use gray, pink. Then I use this light brown marker here. Then I color the rest of his face with this medium brown marker. Dark brown, pink, light green, yellow. Then I continue with the cow. I color this part cream. For the antlers, I use gray. I color the little pig with this pink marker. The chicken is going to be yellow. Orange, red, yellow, green. Finally, I color the sheep. I use this cream color. Pink. Now we color all the boxes behind our friends with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, really good. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.